Hi, I'm here today to share with you the top listing attraction hacks to generate new listings. If you need to get a listing in the next week, what steps would you take? Hi, I'm Kim, CEO and broker of Meeker Realty Group, and I'm here to give you 4 top hacks to help you get a listing in the next week. These 4 hacks are what the best agents in the industry are doing to move their needle forward. So let's get started. Number 1, for the absolute no brain required, you will leverage one of your buyers that is ready, willing, and able. A buyer that has written a few offers and has not had their offer accepted. You can also use a buyer that has been out looking and has not found the perfect home. You will identify the neighborhood they want to live in, and this is so that you can narrow down the ideal location and go hunting. You will select 200 addresses and hand address and hand stamp every piece of mail. And also, do not include your company logo on the envelope. This is not a time for you to do branding. You're also going to make your letter stand out. So include a birthday or a wedding stamp, something that's different. I have even used yellow envelopes. The key is to have them open your letter. So folks, the game here, it's 90% of the game is to get them to open up your envelope. They are going to want to know whose event that they've been invited to. So instead, they're going to get a letter saying, "Dear neighbor, I am representing a client who's interested in buying a home in your neighborhood." Remember, the more specific that you can be about the home that they are looking for, the better. Write in if they're approved or are they all cash. Let them know that they recently lost out on a home that they wanted to buy, and we have identified your property as the home they would love to own. If they show interest, ask them, would you consider a 1-day listing? So folks, we live in an on-demand market. There are people out there that don't want a sign in their yard and they would like to sell and move on their way without the hassle of showings and open houses. So this is your way to get in front of the seller and get your message across. When they read that you have a ready, willing, and able buyer, it may surprise you just how many sellers really are interested in selling their home. Number 2, on Instagram stories, do a live poll. You are living in your dream home now. Yes or no? Or have you had any thoughts of selling in 2021 or 22? Yes or no? This is something that you will run every quarter because it is just that good. That's the second hack. Number 3, take a business card, place a yellow sticky note on the business card, write on the sticky note, "Call me about your house." Put it near the doorknob. You do this on 200 homes and you are sure to get at least 1 call. Now, what do you do when they call you? Well, it goes like this. "Thanks so much for calling. I am representing a buyer that wants to be in your neighborhood, and I'm being aggressive for my buyers. I wanted to reach out to see if you have any thoughts of selling in the next 30, 60, or 120 days. And you let them know that you have a well-qualified buyer that has identified your neighborhood as the community they would love to live in. Number 4, you can record a voicemail, send them a message directly into their voicemail using Slide Broadcast. Have you heard of it? Well, I've used it and it works great. So you can use Slide Broadcast. You can record a cool voicemail, just letting sellers know that you have a serious buyer looking to buy a home in their neighborhood. Let them know that they recently lost out on a home and they are a super kind family. They really need a home. And then just go into asking them, have you had any thoughts of selling? And if so, we would love the opportunity to connect with you. So there you have it. Those are 4 great hacks that the best agents in the industry are using today to get a listing in the next week. So if you would like more great advice like this on how to improve your real estate business, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Productive Agent Forum, and join our social media page on Facebook. We put out a weekly video to help you achieve success in your real estate business. So until next week, thanks for joining us at Productive Agent Forum.